This is a beautiful 1970 early VIN 240Z that we just restored here at California Datsun. Finished in a dark emerald green that we mixed in-house. It's a proprietary color for our business. Seems to have taken off too since we did this car. We've since painted two of them this color. This car's been completely restored from bumper to bumper, and we've done a lot of these videos, but I'll go through this one and show you why it's a little bit different. Kind of starting off in the rear of the car here. European tail lights, European bumper. It's got the nice Datsun gray taillight finisher in it. You got a Borla exhaust system on it, so it sounds real nice. It's matched up to a header that I'll show you here in a bit. It's got a super nice interior that we'll get to also, finished in a camel color. It's got a 16-inch set of Koenig wheels with a rear disc brake conversion on it. As with all the cars that we do, all the bright work is polished. It's got new California Datsun chrome mirrors up front, again with our wheelwood disc brake package. Again, I can't say enough about this color. I just love it. The front European bumper really complements it. It's got a nice set of LED headlights, new emblems, and the fact that this is a super low VIN number makes it look and feel even more important. So let's move on to the inside. Again, brand new dashboard. We completely rebuilt the steering wheel, all the gauges. It's got an upgraded Alpine stereo system. We put a modern ZX 5-speed transmission in it. Cool little armrest and cup holder. Of course, we upgraded the seats to the Series 2 because they're a little bit more comfortable, easier to recline. California car, so of course it has air conditioning. Nice sound system here in the doors. And then of course we got the 6x9s hiding back there in the back. All the panels were finished in a camel colored vinyl as well. These unique door panels that we have done by our guys over at Rogelio's look really sharp. They finish it with a stainless steel insert and then that diamond tuck upholstery in there. All brand new hardware. Looks super nice and luxurious in here. I love this car. Of course, that center console, look at the details of that. Also finished in that same camel color. And then of course up here you got the headliner. All that's finished properly. You got the toolboxes hiding back there. So that's the interior. We'll move on to the back side of the car here and take a look at that. New carpet kit. That's a Mercedes double bound edge thick carpet kit. So that looks really sharp. Let's take a look at the driver's side. Again with the beautiful detail of that steering wheel. Super nice gauges. Sorry for the glare. One of the upgrades too, if you notice, there is a voltmeter from the 280Z. Well, because who can read an amp meter, and that's a much more efficient way of checking your charging system. So moving around to the engine bay. Of course, with a low VIN number like this, you got to have a numbers matching motor, which we do. Original owner of this car. Upgraded the engine, put some L28 internals inside of it. Rebuilt the SUs, got rid of all that smog junk. It's got a beautiful European balance tube. There's our wheelwood master cylinder, which keeps it stopped. See the polished air conditioning compressor. Champion radiator keeps it cool. I'll come around the other side. Some nice braided hoses. There's that super cool and rare 2400 valve cover. And this thing scoots, man. It gets it gets down the road for being a stock L24 with that ever popular E31 head, and it looks nice. So I mean, you got a car that runs great, that feels better on the inside, and just as a showstopper, man. I'm super proud of what we've done with this car, and hopefully we'll build some more like it. I know we have another one coming soon in this color that customer liked it so much she almost wants it to be the exact same. So anyway, if you're looking to have your car restored here by California Datsun, we do a lot of these, and it takes a couple of years. I will give you a heads up. This is a process, not an event. And if you're interested in having one built by us, my name is Al Allen, and I am the owner. I'd love to talk to you about your restoration. Thanks for watching.